Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be making bologna salad sandwiches. You heard me right, bologna salad sandwiches. Well, hey, and welcome back to It's Only Food, and thanks so much for watching. I am Chef John Politte, and if this is your first time watching this channel, or you just want to learn how to make awesome food, or maybe even learn how to start your own cooking channel right here on YouTube, then start right now by clicking on that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, like I said in the intro, we're making bologna salad sandwiches. And if you grew up in the 70s, had tube socks that went all the way up to your knees, a banana seat on your bike, and high handlebars, and teardrop wireframe glasses, then you'll know exactly what we're making today. So let's head in the kitchen and check out our ingredients. And of course, we're gonna start with bologna. I'm gonna kick it up with some jalapenos instead of a relish, pickle relish. And then, of course, mayonnaise, and about 1/4 of an onion right here. So we're gonna grind this up and show you what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna make ours in our NutriBullet. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 3 of these pieces of bologna. Make sure you take the wrapping part of it off. And I'm just gonna shred it in half like that. Our onion goes right in there. Got jalapenos. I'm going to put about 10 of them in here. Then I'm just going to, a little bit of juice so this all mixes up in there. Hit it in the NutriBullet. We've got it all ground up. I wanted to add the mayonnaise to it last because I don't really know how much it's going to take to actually when it was grinding up. So now I see it eyeballed, already ground up, that I know how much mayonnaise to put in there. It's going to start out with about a tablespoon. Mix that all up. You can throw mustard in here too. There it is, bologna salad. Pop the bread into the toaster. I like mine toasted. Toast is up. Butter your bread. There it is. All right. I'm going to plate this up, make it look awesome, take some pictures of it for social media. Find some groovy, funky 70s music to play along with it in the timeline, and we're going to try it out. Here's that awesome bologna sandwich on a paper plate, just like we did back in the 70s. I'm gonna put this up on the tripod, and we are going to give this tasty sandwich a try. All right, there is that wonderful bologna salad sandwich on toast with butter. Here comes a bite. Even better than Mom's with that jalapeno. Oh, that's really good. That is really, really good. Thanks a lot for coming down this trip down memory lane. I really really recommend doing it with the jalapenos instead of relish. This takes it to a whole new level. And we're adults now, and we can do whatever we want to do. Make sure you're in before the lights go out in the street. It's been great seeing you again. My name's Chef John Politte. You've been watching It's Only Food. Don't forget to comment below in the comment section below. Give this thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food. Bye-bye.